Hey, yo! What do you know? Welcome in. It's the Swag Show. Where you at? Where's everybody at? Yo, what's in the trade? What's happening? What's going on? What's the haps on the haps? Hibbity haps. What's the haps on the craps? Crickety craps. I don't know. Snickety snaps. Welcome in. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Welcome back. It's Friday. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Because it's Friday. You ain't got no job. You ain't got shit else to do. But hang out with me and come trade. Good morning, Trusty. How you doing? Welcome in. We're going to pump up the music. We're going to jam out today. I don't care what they said. I don't care what y'all say. Keep tapping the screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. Where's everybody at? Get them in here. Bring them in here. Where is everybody? Where is everybody at? It's fantastic, freaky, fun, fast Friday. Making that money. Welcome over on YouTube. Make sure you click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell a friend. It is Friday of the Swag Show. It is 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on December 6th, 2024. NQ pulling back a little here. We'll see what happens. But good morning, good morning. We got Trusty in the house. We got V in the house. We got Brian Hicks, Danny, Fit, Roan, Scotty Bennett, Viral, V, Tito, Mario, Brian Tran, Tam, Pi Day, Melissa, Mauricio, Harry, Provolins, T-Strong, Ralph. What up? What's happening? Some comments in this live were filtered to protect the community's experience. Well, thank you very much, TikTok. I appreciate you being the effervescent, whatchamacallit, freedom of speech blocker, I guess. Censor, that's what I was trying to say. Gusano, Brendan Kwan. Welcome in, Greg F. Insurance. Hello, hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. We got Santa making that dough, ho, ho, ho. If you want to make $100 a day, that's $2,000 a month per account. Add that shiznit up. TJ, Yokiaid, welcome in. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. I want 10,000 likes today on this fantastic Friday. Let's get it up there. Let's pump it up. Silver Oracle back in another trade. You already screwed me once. I'm done with you. Closed it out. I probably, I don't know where I'd be right now. Let's look at it. Shall we? See where the old Silver Oracle is. No, I'd still be in the red, so. But it's in a long, it would have been in a long position, so that's weird. The original trade is probably still in a short, but if I closed it out early because I had already lost enough. But I made it all back because I'm an okay trader. You know, I made all my losses from Silver Oracle back. So we're green, 126 of the cash, 421s on the Apex, 150s on the Tradeify. I could manually trade, get a little bit more, but it's Friday. It's a little hard. I'm happy with the profit for now. I do want a little more on there, but I'm not going to be greedy. Did you move your stop loss, or did it take a full loss, or is it still in the trade? Technically, I thought it should still be in the trade because it shouldn't have came close to the stop loss. But yeah, it's one of those things. Brandon, hey man, how's your morning? Doing great, thank you. I'm green on all my accounts, so like I said, I made 126 on the cash, 421 on my Apex, 158 on my Tradeify, and 435 on my Take Profit. So we're having a great Friday. It took me out once. It took a long trade. Oh, okay. So it automatically switched over and it took you out and now it's in a long? Okay. I didn't know it would do that. But the long is green right now, $50 at least, so if silver goes up, which it looks like it might make back what it lost, so you never know. It's one of those things. Some days everything, for the past 6 weeks, Thursday and Friday, Silver Oracle has not taken a loss overall, so it's been green for the past 6 weeks. Knock on wood. Tori Wilson, welcome in. Hello, Hector Aaron Gomez, Fake Outs, Saison's Scalper, Mohammed, Chosen Breed Bulldogs, welcome in. Tech Surplus, Lewis, hello. We going to win on Santa? Right now, you're going to have to, I don't know. It's down for the day. But it doesn't mean he can't catch a big run and bring it all back home. That's why I like running them on like one account by himself on like 1 or 2 micros. And just, because if it was on 1 micro, it'd be only down $76. If it was on 2 micros, it'd be down 145, I don't know, 140-ish bucks. So what are we in here? We're in a visual long. Where's visual long? Visual long's going to trade $140 green. Why did you have different win amounts on all those accounts due to contract sizes or algos? Yeah. So on like my cash account, I'm only trading on micros. That's why it's a lot less than the other ones. On my Tradeify accounts, I was trading a full contract of silver. So it took a loss, but then when I manually traded on NQ, I got most of it back. And then Take Profit and my Apex were from NQ New, which was 1-for-1 for 350, and then I manually traded. So that's why they're all different. You got to diversify your portfolio. You don't want one thing to be across all accounts and take a loss and wreck your whole day. You know what I mean? I spread it out. I spread my risk out. So that's what I recommend, especially once you get more than like 8 accounts. Even 5, 6 accounts, you could split 3 on, 3 and 3. Have 2 different game plans going that way. You have a better chance of not getting wrecked. But I'm having a fun, fantastic, freaky, fast, freaking Friday. It's great. It's green. We're green on the day all across the board. I shut everything down. I'm not even going to let NQ later trade. You know why? Because I made my profit goal for the day. I do have it actually turned on my Tradeify accounts on 2 micros. So I guess I could let that run NQ later. We'll see what happens when the time comes for that to take a trade here in a little bit. So we'll monitor it, though, and we'll see what's happening. We'll see what's going on. I do want to make a little bit more money. I'm not trying to be greedy, but they are 150K accounts, and I need to make $9,000 in profit before I can withdraw. So I need to make some money in them, you know what I mean? I might, I don't want to do a mini contract on them because that way it would be risking too much, but I will do 2 micros and we'll roll with that and hope that NQ later makes me some money. As far as manually trading on them goes, I might be done. I would have to find the perfect setup, and that might happen during the stream today. We'll see what all my levels look like as we go on through the morning. It's kind of consolidating here for the past 30 minutes. It's just been in a sideways holding pattern of about from 21,615 up to 642. So about a 30-point holding pattern range right now. Just going sideways. So be safe. Santa's in another trade here. NQ Visual Shorts, green 200. Long's in a trade, and you know what that means when they're both in a trade is the market's probably going sideways. So you got to be careful. What's Santa in? Santa's in a short here, green 40 bucks. We'll see if it pushes back down to the 21,615 level and make a little bit of profit for Santa here. We need that cheddar. I'm with you, money, money. KME El Paralegal, welcome in. MIDI, hello, good morning. If this is your first time tuning in, all I need you to do is keep tapping that screen, if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others, and help your girlfriend or your wife feel better. If you know, you know. Never mind. Anyway, I'm silly. I need 5,000 likes by lunchtime. Otherwise, I'm shutting it down at noon. I've got errands to run. I've got Zoom calls, I think, again today. Have to, let me check my Palm Pilot. I'm sure I do. Where's my schedule at? I gotta update my status so people know I'm streaming. Leave me alone. Let's see here. Okay, I didn't do anything yesterday. About to do it now. Okay, that's great. Okay, thanks. I will make changes to the charge. Okay, perfect. It's okay. So we'll have 3 voters. That's fine. 1 for yesterday, 2 today. Okay, that's great. All right, that's great. I can't take any manual premium alerts right now. I'm streaming. I got to focus on the people. I got to focus on my fans. If I have any fans. Do I have any fans? Or are you just here to make fun of me? It's okay. Not a problem, guys. Don't worry about it. You don't want to see a grown man cry? My mom always said I should be an actor. This is the biggest chance I've gotten. This is the biggest chance I've gotten. No, I've got in my life, I guess. Manuel, welcome in. Trusty, hello. There it is, $125 on Santa. Drop. Once it gets to 200, it'll lock in $75 worth of profit, but no need to wait if you don't want to wait. If you're only looking for $200, $100 a day per account, Bob's your uncle. There it is. Yeah. Let me open up my stuff and close everything out just to double check. Because sometimes, you know, they have connection, weird issue shit that I don't want to be a part of. So I'm going to go into my Trade of 8 accounts and I'm going to make sure that there is no open crazy trades and flatten everything just to be safe. We're 52,400. We need 600 more to pass this take profit eval. And I think on that you have to trade for 5 days anyway to pass it. Apex, let's see what you got. Where are we at on our Apex? We're about 700 away on 4 Apex 50Ks. Exit position and cancel orders. Okay, no working orders. It lags so bad when you open up Tradeify inside of, or Trade of 8, I mean, inside of your web browser while you're trying to run NinjaTrader and 27 different strategies and algorithms. I don't think my VPS is built to handle that amount of pressure, but okay. Now we got all that canceled. So we're good. Premium alerts. What do we say? I am short. Well, I'm not going to go short because the PP or the whatchamacallit's there. And see, Santa even doesn't like to short anymore. What's in a trade? What's in a trade? What's in a trade? Nothing's in a trade except visual short. Visual shorts, I guess, in a trade, but I guarantee it's going to get stopped out here. Let's buy. No, I missed it. I missed the buy opportunity here on my Tradeify accounts. Or did I? Well, let's see. We'll find out. Santa isn't as short. That's not good for me. I might just have to cut this. Might have to cut this real quick here if it gets me even back to close to even. I want visual long. We need long ride. Fat Frank. Big Willie. That almighty, that almighty, almighty. Run it on up. I don't care about Santa right now. I'm not in Santa. I'm on the manual trade over here on the left. Get above 21,630. Keep on pushing up, pushing for the cushion, baby. Pushing for the cushion, baby. Go on up there. It's teasing me. Looks like it should be a good trade. It's a nice little uptrend. Lots of volume. Lots of market structure to the upside. That could have just been a pullback on that last red 15-minute candle. So, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Come on, a little more pushing for the cushion. A little more pushing for your cushion there, baby. Get on. No, that's not what I wanted. That's a big drop. That's not what we wanted at all. Stopped out. Santa's in it. Yeah, Santa's in it, but I'm not. I should have been. Should have listened to Santa. He knows best. I'm going with the magic line, though. The magic line is usually pretty accurate. So I'm going to play the magic line trade and hope that it rises now. The bounce off the magic line played out there. I got some of it back. I'm still down now a little bit. This could be in a downtrend. Visual short's probably way green here. Let's see. Error. 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 What we got? Here we go. NQ Visual Short caught all of it. 600 and some bucks. I need it to drop. All right, we'll let it drop now. I'm out of the trade. You can have your drop, David. Yeah, it's moving and grooving. That's for sure. See if it can get under 600 and stay under 600 here. Keep tapping the screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean. We ain't even at the 1,000 likes yet. Come on, guys. Keep on tapping. Keep on tapping. $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that. This is The Swag Show. What do you know? My name is Kyle. I'm your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. That might have been the fastest time I've ever said all that. That might have been the fastest time I've completed the challenge. All right, let's see. Where's Magic Line? Magic Line, yeah, okay. But it's not, it's a scary area here. Scary area for sure. It could be the end of that pullback, and that's all it's going to let it have. Or it could buy back all of this fair market value gap or whatever, all the way back to the VWAP. Who knows? Lots of stuff could happen here, guys and gals, moms and dads, brothers and sisters. All right, visual short got stopped out. What else in the trade? Nothing else in the trade right now. We got Santa sitting here waiting Waiting and debating, seeing what it's going to do. It is 3 till 11. What mix are you listening to? I have no idea. Something on my YouTube playlist. Just techno, hip hop, techno stuff on YouTube. House. I honestly don't know the name of the channel, but it gets you moving, you know? It gets the blood flowing. I don't know. Should we try it? I really don't like ending the day red on anything, but we're only red now on my Tradeify accounts because I took a bad trade. So should have just left it alone and been happy with the 150, like I said. But you know what happens when you chase and you be greedy. We all know what happens. I like the long here though. We'll see what happens. Nothing in the trade to show you. Sorry, we're just rocking and rolling here with the music, waiting to see if NQ can push back up here. Hopefully, it can push all the way up to 660. That would be fun. Push all the way up to 21,660. That'd be a really nice day if it could get all the way up there. All the way up to 660. Come on, you can do it. Push on up. Push. Push on up. Alright. I took some profit off, but I'm moving my stop loss too close because I'm trying to trail it, and it just, sometimes it doesn't work. I did take profit right there, though. But it's in a very tough area to get through. If you look to the left, this area has just been the sideways choppy mess that we're back to from earlier. So, but if you buy the bottom of this range, it should go up to the top of the range. So that's what I'm going to try and do. I'm going to try and buy this bottom of this range here and see if it'll run on up. Push on up here. Let's see it. Anybody? Do you have your candle color set to do something different than normal? No? Just red and green. Push on up here. All the way up 660. Go. Now. No. All right, 197 in red. Not bad. Not what we want, but you know what? It's better than nothing. That's what I get for trading a bigger contract size than normal when I'm already in in the green, trying to be greedy. I was green 150 on my Tradeifys, and now I'm red 180. So I can get it back. I just got to wait for the better setup here. Got to wait for my boy Shane to come into chat and tell me what the hell's going on. He knows best. Nothing else in the trade. ES News in the trade. But it's no play today, so we're not going to worry about it. I'm on defense. Yeah. Red here as well. I'm green on every other account. Silver killed me. Yeah. I shut out early on it, but I manually traded to get back all of it. And I'm green 400 on all my accounts, except my cash account. I'm green only 126, which is fine. But then on my even on my Tradeify 150Ks, I was green 150, and you know something wasn't sitting right with me only being green 150 on those. So I tried to take a manual trade and get a little more, and I lost. And now I worked it back to only being down 187. So we'll wait for a perfect setup on my manual trade here, and I will try and trade my Tradeifys back into the positive to end the week. But if I don't find the perfect setup, then I'm not going to worry about it. Because I'd rather be down 200 than 2,000. It's just right back to holding that range bottom from earlier, right here around 616. So hopefully it holds it and then it shoots it back up again. We shall see. I was doing 2 minis on my manual trades. Sometimes I'll size up, which I shouldn't do, but could have bought the dip right there at 615. It's got a long way to go to the top of this range, so I might buy in here. We'll see if it can break 630. All right, I'm going to put a limit at 627 here and see. Oh, no, Shane, you sized up on silver? Ugh. That's gut-wrenching to watch that. All right, I'm in a long here. We'll see what happens. Need to make at least 200 on this trade to be even for the day. So we need like 10 points. $10 points would be nice. All right, come on. We're green 100, 110. Come on, push on up. 150. Oh, there's 200. Almost so close to 200. I want a little profit now. I'm going to lock in my 200. Locking in my 200. Push on up. 640. All right, stopped out, and we're down 20 bucks. So there's that. All right, I'm only down 20 bucks. I'm doing 10 minis, but I'm out in seconds. Yeah, so you're super scalping, Z. I respect that. But what's your stop loss? Like, is it a 1-to-1 ratio, or... I have a trailing stop on mine that moves for me automatically. So it's kind of a scalping ATM strategy, but I just got all the way back to only being down 20 bucks. I could take one more trade to try and get in a profit here, but it's at the high of that range from earlier, so I don't want to test going long here. I needed to pull back a little bit, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. It might be. It's a long day, you know. You got a lot of time left in the day. Close stop. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. 10 contracts is just crazy. But if you're only looking for 5 or 6 ticks, then you know it makes sense. I guess you just got to have the account size to be able to do it and get a perfect, almost perfect entry, and have your levels dialed in to know where to either go long or short. But good luck to you, man. Good trading to you. Wait for this pullback. We'll see if it comes back down here to 620. If it can come back down to 620, I might go long here again on 2 minis. I'm going to place my limit order right there at 620 and hope it respects that level and moves back up. It is 11:08, so the candle had changed over. So it can go green here now, please. It can go back up. It's got to respect this 615 level and continue up, but nope, it blasted right through that. 100 Santa, I should have listened to you. I'm sorry. I didn't even notice Santa was in a short. I could have went with him. That's bad trade on my end. It's a bad trade on my end here. That hurts. Need it to go back up here. Big push back up. Deep V pattern would be nice. Get a nice push back up. Get above 620. Push back up here, please. That would be lovely. If you could do that for me. It's a bad time to take a trade. 11:10, right on the resistance 2. What am I even doing? Why am I messing around, guys? Why wasn't I just happy with that? Push above the 615, please. Get us in the green. Don't tell me it's going to do this. Push back up above. No. Anybody else in a short or long here? What are you in? I need it to go long here. I need it to go up. Not good. Hopefully the magic line holds here and it stays above it. We shall see. Might be losing steam. It's like every time on Friday at this time is when I lose. Big bounce off this 600, please. Stay up above it. Come on, buy. Go up. Not good. Oh man, that sucks. Keep dropping now, fuck. This is why it's so hard sometimes to trade, guys. I was good, Mike. Yep, until right now when I'm messing around with two of my Tradeify accounts. Clicking buttons for no reason. Fucking around. That's what happens. You fuck around and you find out. Oh, that sucks. Oh well. Shit happens. Should have listened to Santa twice. I would have been better. And I could have stopped when I was red $20. But what do? Mentally, you're like, no, I'm going to trade again and I'm going to blow it. Just being stupid. Being stupid. Santa in the long though, $500. I hope if anybody's running Santa, you should be green now for the day. David, where are you? If you're running Santa, you're green on the day now. Not gonna be in a bad mental space. I need to just stop. Need to just stop. Why? Why? Sometimes, why do I do that to myself? I don't know why. You guys tell me why. Why do I not just stop? Probably because I'm bored sitting here watching it, right? If I could have just got up and not been streaming and walked away, I wouldn't have had to trade. I wouldn't have had to sit here and say, "Oh, well, I can make one more good trade and not be down 20 and be up 100." But what happens? You lose, then you size up, then you lose, then you size up, then you blow the account. So that's always fun. Or you hit your daily stop loss because you're an idiot. But that's all right. It's only 2 accounts, so, and they're still alive. They're not what they were. You know what I mean? They're alive, but they're not what they were. Tech. So I don't ever run them on live accounts where they're in different directions. I make sure that if it's on a live account, only one way is live at the same time, if that makes sense. But $380 on this Santa long. Alright, Santa's out. What's in trade? Anything? Visual short. Silver Oracle. Here's for FOMO. Here's just for fun, for FOMO's sake. That's Silver Oracle, by the way. Not NQ. Don't get the chart confused. This is Silver Oracle. Green 470, $500 there. Oh yeah, I'm positive. Shit happens. I was just stupid. I should have stopped. I knew it. Red $20. That's the main thing for me. I got to be able to be okay taking a loss some days or look for the perfect setup. I thought that was a good setup, and then it just turned into a bad one, and then it pulled back way more than I thought. But yeah, I'm positive. But it's only on two of my Tradeify accounts, which those are the ones that cost the most, so it hurts if I busted one of them. It looks like I might be $400 away from busting it, so hopefully it's still alive. But yeah, I won't be able to find out till Monday or Sunday night. Monday probably, but anyway. One of them's still alive. One of them's hanging on life support. I'm gonna have to go super slow on that one to get it built back up, but a waste of $380 if I busted it. You know what I mean? The Silver Oracle flipped from a short to a long, and now it's green. 500 on this trade, still down 300 on the day. If you stuck around in that. So we're good. Not gonna let it mess with my head too much. I've had worse days than that. So it is what it is, kids. That's the game of trading and the mental aspect of trading. Gotta know when to stop, right? 120 on this NQ visual short, though. All the algorithms, NQ new range was green, 1 for $350. NQ later has not traded yet. It's got to get way up above 650 to take a trade. So that's probably not going to happen anytime soon, but who knows. Gridlock was in a $1,200 long earlier. It's green 890 on the day on NQ Gridlock. Other than that, not a whole lot going on. You could scalp on visual if you want, like, you know, take $100 at a time. If you have two different accounts, that's what somebody does. He just watches them and manually moves his stop loss. Once it gets to like $150, $200 in profit, he'll lock in 100 and just do that over and over. It's usually a pretty good tool to capture some type of profit. You know what I mean? Maybe I should do that. What's long? Visual short there. Right back to the holding pattern range that it was in earlier, between 620 and 600. Just sideways action. I don't know if they're going to lunch early or what. Sitting, bouncing right on top of this. I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend, though. How's everybody doing? What are your plans? Anybody doing anything fun? I got a lot of stuff going on this weekend. With my boys. Might be Tweezer. Might be time to go back up here. Not a whole lot going on. Just keep tapping the screen if you know what I mean. We're a little shy this day today. Alright, did Santa capture this? Nope. No Santa on this one. Volume orders were on Christmas. Alright. I'm just gonna stop the nonsense. I don't know what just happened. Oh my goodness. Some days you win, some days you lose. You only lose because of your own fault and you're stupid and you make dumb choices. Like me. But that's alright. 2 accounts, still alive. Come back next week and we'll try and revive them back to life slowly but surely. If they had a better sale going on, I would get more, but I don't think it's, what is it, 35% now? Yeah, it's only 35% off straight to funded. I might wait until Christmas to see if they have a better sale for Tradeify. I'm assuming they'll all do some type of Christmas sale. I'm hoping. I'm hoping that they do some type of Christmas sale. Maybe 50% off. That would be nice. You're back to even. Or you're back to starting. Oh, my $7,500 pad? Okay. Shane. All right. So you have to have 9,000. My Tradeify accounts, I had them up there. I just. What happened? 26 minutes ago. I just saw they have an advent calendar in the Discord, something new every day. Purchase any four of the same product today, and the fifth is free on Tradeify. Huh. Maybe that's why they're not. Advent calendar, day 6, free 150K advanced account. Purchase 100K growth account today and get 150K advanced account free. So that's the sale going on right now on Tradeify, guys. Let me show you. Oh, stop. Stop being stupid. Can you guys see that? Oh my goodness. Anyway, if you join Tradeify's Discord, it looks like if you buy a 150K if you buy a 100K growth account today, you get a 150K advanced account for free. So let me go see what that is. 100K growth account. How much is that? $100K growth account. Snow. How much is it? It's $169. $169, but how much is it? No activation fee. It's a $125 activation fee. Huh. Let me read that again. So if you purchase a 100K growth account, you get a free 150K advance account. So 100K growth account is, yeah, but then that's the thing. They give you that free account, but then you still have to pay the $125 activation fee. So that's a nice little gimmick that they're trying to pull, but I'm not falling for it, Tradeify. You got to do better than that. I'm too smart. You're basically getting your money back once. They're getting their money back once you pass the eval, basically. So thanks, but no thanks. You're lucky I like you much. All right, it says keep your account balance above 143,349 on account number 2, and we are at 143,771. $400. Oh man, that's going to be tight. That's going to be Micro City. What's the other one? 143 and we're at 146. We got 3K left in that one, so I just got to be careful. I just got to stop being greedy. Got to stop being greedy, guys. It's killing me. But I'm going to wait for a better code. 35% off is not enough for me when it's, you know, $700. So, all right, we're shutting that down. We're not going to look at you anymore. Nothing in the trade to show you guys. I'm sorry. There really isn't. Silver Oracle it's green 650 right now in a trade, but nobody wants to watch silver because it's super slow. Can I show some results? Maybe we'll just show the results for the day. All right, we'll just show results. What is it doing? All right. Ferg. There's Lauren. 2468. Passing evals. Jason made 1,500 all the way up to 100. Mr. H 600. This guy, I don't know who he is. 400. There's Mike 400. Cappy pre-market. So yeah. My Santa is in a long from 625? Huh. Mine didn't get in it. I don't know why. Sometimes it be like that. Sometimes it bees like that. Well, go, go, go. Go up for Shane's in his Santa. And whoever else might be in a Santa long here. Your Santa was being bad? Yeah. Shit happens. Oh, it's only in Sim? Just using them for entries? Okay. Now the truth comes out. Now the truth comes out. I do like that entry, though, 625. It should have been a decent entry. Tested it 3 times, and then it pulled up above it. I might just... Although it looks like it's flagging for a short now, so we'll see. Let me re-enable. Maybe that's what it needed. That was just silly. Silliness. Why am I doing that? I don't want to sell there, do I? No. Yeah, I mean that's the top of the range from earlier. It wasn't getting above that 639, so could have shorted from there. Nothing happening in a trade. Sorry guys, not a whole lot going on. Shorts in a short, but forgot to show you that, I guess. $225 on the short. Where are my people at? I don't know. Not a lot going on. Not a lot to talk about. Who's up 2K on the day? Why are we even messing around, guys? Why are we even messing around? It's just not moving. There's just not a lot of movement. Not a lot of movement. Might have to wait till after lunch here to see what happens. These are just so small and slow right now. Everybody took lunch early on a Friday. They might have been done for the week. Who knows? Not a lot of volume here. I'm going in 7 minutes until the noon candle. All right. Still sticking right at this $350. Like I said, you could see it is just not moving. We're not moving very much. It's just been sideways action for the past hour. Oh, it's crazy. Since 10 o'clock, really, 10:30, it's just been sideways, consolidating once again. Made its big move this morning and now consolidate. We'll see what the afternoon brings, but we only got 1,700 likes, so I'm going to cut it short today. I've got errands to run. I'll be back on Monday. So everybody have a safe and happy, fun weekend. Stay warm, stay safe. Don't drink and drive. Don't ruin your life. Get a cab, get an Uber, get a Lyft. Tell somebody you love them. I appreciate you guys being here. And I will see you on Monday at 10:30 Eastern. Yeah, but that's going to be it for today.